The iPhone 11 launch date may be a little later than previous years, as Europe's biggest tech show, IFA 2019 in Berlin, is set to run from September 6 to 11 this year, which may see Apple defer its new iPhone launch to the following week. It's unlikely though, as the new iPhone launch has crossed over with the show a number of times, which means we're still most likely to see an announcement week commencing September 9. Apple historically hasn't held its phone event on a Monday, with Tuesday or Wednesday the most commonly used days, with the Wednesday being September 11th, a day of mourning in the US. Apple will most likely pick an iPhone 11 launch date of Tuesday, September 10, 2019. If Apple does opt to delay the launch by a week, we could be looking at a potential iPhone 11 launch date of either September 17th or September 18th. Apple hasn't launched an iPhone this late since 2011, when it announced the iPhone 4S on October 4th, and we fully expect the Cupertino, California-based firm to stick with the September arrival for the new iPhone in 2019. As for the iPhone 11 pre-order date, Apple tends to open them on the Friday following the launch, which would be September 13th by our calculations. Finally, the new iPhone 11 release date, the day when you'll actually be able to get your hands on the handset for the first time, could be just a week after the pre-orders open, so September 20th if our analysis is correct. These dates could quite easily shift though, and we wouldn't be surprised if Apple followed more recent tradition and launched the new iPhone 11 on September 10th. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.